How's it going, YouTube? You guys are back with Casey, and I have a pretty interesting video for you guys. I know it's been a while since I made one, but it's going to be sitting in that box right back there. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Pretty much, there's a blue box right there, and we're going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what's in it. Although, by the title of the video, you guys already know. Alright, I'm going to set the camera down and unbox it. Alright, so there she is. It's upside down because I kind of already opened it. I already have it sold, so I just wanted to see it and see what number it was, but yeah. Let's go ahead and break into it. So this is translucent because you can already see the PlayStation there, so it fits the theme. Like I said, I gotta be gentle because I already sold this. Sit there and pop that open. And boom. So realistically, I probably should fix this, but that has to be flipped. Alright. Alright, so here we go. There's the number there, 48,564. It's still wrapped. And right there you can kind of see the inside with the glare, but there you go. Yeah, so that's the system. I'm not going to go any further into the box because, like I said, it is sold. I don't want to go into it too much, but that is the PS4 translucent. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Like I said, it's nothing too special, mainly because I don't get to keep it, but it's an awesome looking system. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry for the lighting in here, it is a little off, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.